Let's picture this for a second. A critical failure on your Mazak CNC. Suddenly, hours, maybe even days of production come to a screeching halt. Today, we're going to make sure that never happens to you. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to create an all backup, which is pretty much the digital lifeline for your PT20 model.
Let's be honest for a second. Do you really sleep well at night knowing that every single setting on your machine is safe? I'm talking about those parameters you tweak to perfection, the ladder that acts as the brain of your operations. What would happen if all of that just vanished tomorrow?
You see, this isn't just another routine maintenance task. You need to think of the all backup as the single most important insurance policy for your machine. It's the only real guarantee you have against catastrophic data loss, and believe me, the massive headache that comes with unplanned downtime.
All right, let's get to it. The first phase is like finding the secret door into the heart of the system. We're going to see exactly how to get into the maintenance menu, which is our command center for this whole operation. So, the first thing you're looking at is your main Mazatrol screen. Your goal here is simple: find and select the maintenance option. That's our way in.
And just when you think you're about to get in, hold on. The system wants the keys. You need a password to go any further. It's the first line of defense. Any idea what it might be?
The magic word is MPARA. Let me spell that out for you. That's M-P-A-R-A. This password unlocks all the important doors. Just type that in and hit Input to move on.
Excellent. We're inside the system. Now, for the good part, the core of this whole process. We're going to kick off the full system backup.
The game plan here is super simple, just 3 quick steps. First, we select the all backup option. Second, we tell the machine to save everything to our memory card, which is your USB stick. And third, we hit the button to start the magic. Let's do it.
Now that you've put in the right password, the full maintenance menu is unlocked. Out of all the choices you see, the one we care about is the one that says All Backup. Go ahead and select that.
Pay close attention here, because this step is really important. Under Device Select, you have to make sure you choose Memory Card. You're basically telling the machine, hey, save all this priceless information onto the USB drive I just plugged in.
Once you've selected the USB drive, press the Backup button and then hit Input. The machine's going to ask you one last time, are you sure you want to do this? Don't hesitate, select Yes, and let the copying begin.
So, while that progress bar is chugging along, something pretty amazing is happening. The machine is making an exact copy of its memory. All the system data, the entire ladder, which is kind of like its instruction manual, and all of the PLC parameters. It's basically cloning its own brain right onto your USB drive.
Okay, the progress bar hit 100%. But don't celebrate just yet. Now comes the step that so many people forget, and it's arguably the most important one of all, verifying that the backup actually worked.
And the good news is you don't have to be a detective to find the proof. The confirmation is sitting right there on the screen, inside the backup_list. So what are you looking for exactly? You're looking for a new line item in the field that says Manual. You should see the date and the exact time you made the copy, something that looks like December 22, 12/15/2025. If you see that, congratulations, you've successfully backed up your machine.
All right, so the screen says everything's good to go, but let's get curious for a minute. What actually happened? What did the machine just save onto that little USB stick?
This is what you've just created. If you plug that USB into a computer, you're going to see a folder named backup_manual. And inside that folder, well, that's where the crown jewels are. The SRM.bin file with all the system data, the userplc.lad file, which is your complete ladder, and the APLC.bin file, the entire DNA of your machine, perfectly packaged and safe.
And in the end, this whole process comes down to one thing: power. The power to restore your CNC to this exact state if the worst-case scenario ever happens. It is, quite literally, peace of mind in a digital format.
And there you have it. Your machine now has a life jacket. Its most critical settings are safe and sound. But this gets me thinking. Now that you've taken this step, what's another action you can take to bring your maintenance plan to the next level? Something to think about.